Hello. Okay, so our first lesson this week is going to be on adjective order. Okay, it's actually pretty simple. I don't think this video should take more than like 30 minutes, but we're gonna go ahead and talk about it a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen. I'm actually gonna share a Word document because I feel like I can write better that way. Actually, let me figure out how to do this quick. So, sorry. I'm trying to get everything on the right side so that I'm not looking away from the camera. Okay. Share screen. I wonder if it'll share my whole screen or if it's only sharing that. So let's see. Let's do this again. Be over on this side. I don't know where my camera is. I don't know if you can see me. It says my screen is paused. Okay. I think I'm on the right side. Okay. So, like I said, today we're going to talk about adjective order. Okay, adjective order is actually really fairly easy. Okay, so first we need to talk about what is an adjective. All right, in order to find that out, first we need to talk about a noun. Okay, so a noun is a person, place, or a thing. Computer is really slow this morning. Okay, so a noun, parece que en español es sustantivo. Okay, so your noun, I'm sorry, my computer is just really slow today. Okay, a noun is any person, place, or a thing. Okay, so we're talking persona, lugar, o cosa. Okay, for example, okay, the word teacher. The word teacher is a noun because that is a person. Okay, student is also a noun. Let's see. School is a place, so the word school is a noun. Store is a place, so it's also a noun. Thing. Let's see. Table o mesa, that is a noun because it is a thing. Es una cosa. Pen. Okay. Pen is also a noun. It is a thing. Okay. So all of these are examples of nouns. Okay. All right. So when you're talking about an adjective, an adjetivo, right? An adjective is word or words that describe a noun. Okay, so un adjective es una palabra o palabras que describen al noun. Okay, so, por ejemplo, okay, So if you see, we have teacher, right? All right, so let's do insert. Shapes. Actually, do I have a text box right here? I'm so sorry, my computer is really slow today. So it's not responding. Okay, so here's our noun, right? Teacher. This is a person, right? Okay, so when you think about it, think about all the words that you can use to describe teacher. Okay, so ¿qué palabras vas a usar para escribir teacher? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm probably gonna insert text boxes right here. So we can do, for example, female. Okay, right? Mujer. You can say woman. Okay, we can say, so todas las palabras que puedes usar para escribir a una maestra, a un maestro, un profesor, right? You can use young or old, right? Let's see. Smart, inteligente. Okay, you can also use words like new. Okay, es una maestra que es nueva, right? Okay, those are all words you can use to describe a teacher, right? So, my goodness, I feel like this is going to take forever to do. Okay, so you have your noun, teacher, and then you have your adjectives, woman, smart, young, old, and new. Okay, so let me actually write that down so that'll make it easier. Your noun, teacher. Your adjectives are smart, we'll go with young, new, and we'll go with woman. Okay. Now let's look at, so this is a person. Let's look at a place. So let's look at school. Okay, so school is my noun. Okay, what kind of words can I use to describe school? Okay, we can use the words, use, oh, I hate that I can't type in it right away. Big. Big. Okay, we can use the word, for example, old. Si es una escuela ya vieja, un edificio ya viejo. Old. I mean, we can use the word new. We can use clean, right? Limpio. Okay. We can also talk about what it is made of, o de qué está hecho el edificio, right? So we can use, for example, brick de ladrillo. Okay, so all of those are adjectives. My goodness. Okay, all of those are adjectives. So again, your noun is school. Your adjectives are big, old, and clean. Brick. Okay. Let's look at one more. Okay, let's look at the word. Let's see, we have table or pen for a thing. Let's use table. Okay, so these are examples of really, really easy nouns. Okay. So for example, table. Okay, what kind of words can we use to describe table? For example, we can use long, right? Una mesa larga. Okay. Okay, if the table is long, it's probably rectangular. Okay, so okay, rectangular should rectangular. There you go. Okay. You know, for example, what color is the table? Okay, is the table white? Is it blue? Is it red? Okay, I'm going to say black. Okay, you know, what kind of condition is it in? Is it clean? Is it dirty? Okay, those are all examples of nouns. So I'm going to say dirty. Okay, so I'm just connecting these quick, that way we can come back to these, okay? Okay, so again, our noun is table. Our adjectives are long, dirty, black, and rectangular. Okay, so the question is, when you're writing a sentence, okay, when you're writing a sentence, how do you put the adjectives in order? Okay, now, here's what can be a little bit tricky. Okay, and I'll tell you why. Okay, in Spanish, okay, you always have the noun plus adjectives. Okay, in English, okay, we have adjectives plus noun. The noun is at the end of the sentence. I'm going to say sentence or thought. Okay, el noun está al final de la oración o del pensamiento, right? Okay, that is the very big difference. Okay, for example, Okay, in English is, and in Spanish is el carro azul, right? In English, it's the blue car. Another example would be la maestra joven. Okay, maestra is to noun. Well, we're not going to use that example. That one's going to get confused us. Okay. Yeah, let's use that one. Okay. La maestra joven. Okay, maestra is noun. Joven is adjective. In English, it would be young teacher. Primero el adjetivo, luego el noun. Okay. So let's look at this first one right here. Teacher, right? Okay, so then you ask yourself, what order? Okay, in these sentences, you only have one adjective. Right? Azul and let's go back. We'll go blue is your adjective, and then young is your adjective. Okay, so what happens when you have more than one adjective, right? Okay, this is where adjective order is very important. Okay. Oh, come on. All right, I'm going to show you what adjective order looks like for us in English. Okay, here's your adjective order, or order of adjectives. Okay, this means that when you have more or one adjective, this is the order that you want to put them in. Okay, so for example, the first thing you would do is you would put a number. Okay, so if you're talking about, let's say, 2 blue chairs, okay, dos sillas azules, okay, en español todo mixteado, okay, but so you have number and quantity, so número, cantidad, opinion is opinión, size, tamaño, shape is forma, condition, condición, age, edad, luego color, color, pattern sería un estampado, origin, origen, material, material, type is tipo, and purpose is para qué se usa, okay? Y te da ejemplos de cada uno, right? So, hay que ver el de nosotros. Tenemos los adjectives smart, young, new, woman. Okay. So ya sabemos que al final de nuestra oración va a ir la palabra teacher. The blank teacher. Okay, tenemos que poner nuestros 4 adjetivos en orden. Okay, so we have the words smart, young, new, woman. Voy a poner female. Okay, so ¿cuál adjetivo viene primero? Okay, so si nos fijamos con nuestro no quiero eso. Quiero tener mitad y mitad. No creo que me vaya a dejar. Me parece si estoy mal que no pueden ver mi lista de order. Ok, aquí está. Okay, so no tenemos, we don't have a number. Okay. We have opinion. Okay. I would put smart under opinion porque esta es una opinión propia. Smart. Okay. Do we have a size or measurement? No, ¿verdad? Condition. Condición. Nope. Shape. Tampoco. Age. We have young. My goodness, I'm struggling today. Okay, we have young. Do we have color? No. Do we have pattern? Nope. Do we have origin? No. Do we have a type? Okay, I would put type right here. ¿Qué tipo de maestra? Es nueva, right? Y female también pudiera poner como type. ¿Qué tipo de maestra? Es mujer. Okay, so nuestra oración sería the smart, young, new female teacher. Okay, eso es como ponemos nuestros adjetivos en orden. Okay, let's look at the word, this one. Let's look at brick or school. Aquí lo voy a poner. Okay, nuestra oración. Sabemos que es going to be the. Okay, los adjetivos en orden. School. Okay, our adjectives are big, old, clean, and brick. Okay, do we have a number? No, right? Do we have an opinion? No. About size, do we have a size? We do, we have the word big. All right, do we have condition? Condición. Okay, I would use the word clean because that is a condition of the building. Okay, so we have two adjectives left, old and brick. Do we have age? We do, so that's old. And then our last one is brick. Okay, brick would be your material. Okay, so our sentence is the big, clean, old brick school. Okay, now let's look at the next one. We had table. Okay, our adjectives are long, dirty, black, and rectangular. So we know it's going to be the, right, and tables at the end. Okay, so do we have a number? No. Do we have an opinion? No. Do we have a size? We do. We have the word long. Long. Do we have a shape? We do. Rectangular. Okay, do we have a condition? I would say dirty. Okay, so our last adjective would be black. Okay, so our sentence is the long, rectangular, dirty, black table. Okay, that is adjective order. All right, so I will just have you watch this video. You can watch it once, you can watch it twice, however many times you want. On Monday, when you come in for activities, I will have one of these for everybody, okay? If you have any questions on adjective order, please let me know, and I will send you your next lesson, which is on comparative and superlative. Thanks.